Hi, I'm Mark, and this is your daily English speaking practice. All you need to do is speak, repeat, and remember. Are you ready? Let's begin. Prepositions of time, using at, on, and in. Repeat after me. It will be ready tomorrow at 6:30 p.m. It will be ready tomorrow at 6:30 p.m. He's busy at the moment. He's busy at the moment. At the weekend, I can spend the days how I like. At the weekend, I can spend the days how I like. She works at night. She works at night. At dinner time, you'd better be home. At dinner time, you'd better be home. It's always snowy here at Christmas. It's always snowy here at Christmas. He broke his leg at Easter. He broke his leg at Easter. On Fridays, I have a short workday. On Fridays, I have a short workday. It's his birthday on October 19th. It's his birthday on October 19th. Do you really want to do that on Halloween? Do you really want to do that on Halloween? We broke up on our first anniversary. We broke up on our first anniversary. We'll see on Monday morning. We'll see on Monday morning. She called me on Saturday evening. She called me on Saturday evening. I'm always really busy in April. I'm always really busy in April. In summer, it's too hot to do anything. In summer, it's too hot to do anything. Is that possible in the 21st century? Is that possible in the 21st century? Why was he angry in the morning? Why was he angry in the morning? Prepositions of place, using in, at, and on. Repeat after me. Your bag is in the closet. Your bag is in the closet. There's a food court in the shopping center. There's a food court in the shopping center. My mother was born in China. My mother was born in China. Your keys are on the table. Your keys are on the table. He worked on the 4th floor. He worked on the 4th floor. She likes to sit on the floor. She likes to sit on the floor. He's on the bus right now. He's on the bus right now. You can't make phone calls on a plane. You can't make phone calls on a plane. We are on the border of the US and Canada. We are on the border of the US and Canada. There's a market on 3rd Street. There's a market on 3rd Street. Don't call me, I'm at work. Don't call me, I'm at work. Then see you at the train station. Then see you at the train station. She's working at home today. She's working at home today. She is at the grocery store. She is at the grocery store. Don't sit at the desk. Don't sit at the desk. He's waiting at the entrance. He's waiting at the entrance. Adjectives and prepositions. Repeat after me. He's really good at lying. He's really good at lying. He's terrible at organizing anything. He's terrible at organizing anything. I'm angry about his decision. I'm angry about his decision. He's nervous about the presentation. He's nervous about the presentation. We were worried about you. We were worried about you. She was afraid of telling the truth. She was afraid of telling the truth. He's scared of flying. He's scared of flying. No way that she's married to him. No way that she's married to him. I'm literally addicted to my phone. I'm literally addicted to my phone. Tom is allergic to nuts. Tom is allergic to nuts. It's similar to the old one. It's similar to the old one. Was he nice to you? Was he nice to you? They were really friendly to me. They were really friendly to me. He was very rude to me. He was very rude to me. Great, good for you. Great, good for you. The town is famous for its wine. The town is famous for its wine. Who is responsible for this? Who is responsible for this? She's interested in the project. She's interested in the project. I didn't want to get involved in the argument. I didn't want to get involved in the argument. Verbs and prepositions. Repeat after me. Wait for me here. Wait for me here. I'm relying on you. Don't let me down. I'm relying on you. Don't let me down. The spray protects you from getting burned. The spray protects you from getting burned. Yeah, I'm listening to you. Yeah, I'm listening to you. I agree with Mike. I agree with Mike. Everyone can see it with the naked eye. Everyone can see it with the naked eye. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Can I ask you for advice? Can I ask you for advice? I have to prepare for the meeting. I have to prepare for the meeting. She saved him from drowning. She saved him from drowning. I suffer from allergies. I suffer from allergies. I don't believe in coincidences. I don't believe in coincidences. Our company specializes in marketing. Our company specializes in marketing. This shampoo smells of apples. This shampoo smells of apples. Their decision will depend on our results. Their decision will depend on our results. The movie is based on a real-life story. The movie is based on a real-life story. I can't concentrate on my work. I can't concentrate on my work. Come on, we're relying on you. Come on, we're relying on you. We don't agree on anything. We don't agree on anything. Nobody responded to my complaint. Nobody responded to my complaint. She's apologized to me for that. She's apologized to me for that. I agree with every single word you say. I agree with every single word you say. Mary will provide you with more information. Mary will provide you with more information. Adverbials of location and direction. Repeat after me. She lives in a village near Galway. She lives in a village near Galway. You'll find it in the fridge. You'll find it in the fridge. He was standing by the new car. He was standing by the new car. Sign here, at the bottom of the page. Sign here, at the bottom of the page. I can't see. You're standing in front of me. I can't see. You're standing in front of me. He was standing right next to her. He was standing right next to her. Why are we right in the middle of nowhere? Why are we right in the middle of nowhere? There's a tall pine tree right behind the gates. There's a tall pine tree right behind the gates. Don't leave things lying around. Don't leave things lying around. I'm so tired at the end of the week. I'm so tired at the end of the week. On top of that, I lost my passport. On top of that, I lost my passport. Don't you see I'm in the middle of something? Don't you see I'm in the middle of something? That's it. Are you still here? Awesome. We've covered everything we planned. Great job. Are you feeling a bit tired? If so, that's great. It means your brain and your speaking muscles have had a proper workout and you are one step closer to fluent English. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time.